Hello and welcome to another update video about LINK. LINK is up a little bit today, and after my video yesterday in which I highlighted that this move down could now be complete because at least technically we have all the waves in place, the market is trying to reverse and trying to put this third wave in. This would be due now because honestly, if we get a break below $13.14, which is the 78.6 retracement level of the increase between the 7th or the 8th of January and the top that formed here on the 11th, around $15.71. If we get a break below that level, then this 1-2 setup I'm exploring here is going to be invalidated. Okay, all right, I shouldn't say it's going to be, but it's likely set out to be because any sustained break below the 78.6 fib level typically leads to a failure. The official invalidation point is here, 1255. Basically what we're watching for is the beginning of an unfolding 5-wave move to the upside in wave 5 here that could take us to $21. It's at this stage, of course, uncertain if the wave 5 has already started to unfold or if we are still sort of in the 4th wave. You know, that's still possible. I mean, if you zoom out, we are still in a range. Okay, so we are still in this range here. Nothing has changed. The only thing that has changed really, but already last week, is that we could count a 3-wave move complete. A so-called expanded flat pattern in this potential 4th wave correction. And if this is indeed an expanded flat, then the low could be in, and the low could have formed here on the 8th of January, at around 1255 in our trading area with support between 975 and 1288. There is going to be an additional support level at $11 as well as the ascending trend line here. So this is sort of what I'm watching for. I'm just exploring at the moment the idea that the 5th wave could have started. The pattern to the upside has flaws. It's not perfect. It's not an impulse. It could only unfold as a diagonal. Diagonals cannot be trusted. You know the routine. Okay, so that's the problem. However, we are now in an area where looking at the micro, this is where it could turn around, where it could attempt to turn around. The reasons are we don't have 5 waves up, so that's a pain. That makes it uncertain. It's only a 3-wave move up. But because we could be in an overall larger degree 5th wave, here circle wave 5 of an even larger wave 1 in a leading diagonal, it is acceptable that a wave 1 is a 3-wave move because it could be an ending diagonal. In an ending diagonal, the subwaves are corrective. So this would be an ABC structure in wave 1. What does that mean though? It means I can't really trust it. It could easily break, right? It could easily break, but okay. 5-wave patterns are typically preferred. So, okay, let's assume we have 3 waves up in a wave 1 of wave 5. Then this here is an A wave down in 3 waves. This here is a B wave in 3 waves. So it's basically a flat structure, and the C wave down has pretty clear 5 waves. Okay, so that's what I was watching for already a couple of days ago, where we said, okay, maybe this was a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, 1 more low, 5. Now that 1 more low happened, and it is possible that it's finished and that this move down in wave C is finished. This is a support area I suggested to you a couple of days ago. The market already reversed out of it. So a trading area, basically, if you want to call it like that. Now, I can't tell you to buy or sell there because it's not confirmed that a wave 5 has started. But it's where reward and risk are, in my opinion, in a favorable ratio. Okay, so I did post that on Twitter today, posted a little bit about the difference between a trader and an analyst. Of course, as an analyst, I cannot tell you when to buy. I can give you the levels and I can tell you where reward and risk is typically favorable. I can tell you when a move is confirmed. And for me, the move to the upside in the 3rd wave would be confirmed with a successful break above the wave 1 high. That's typically what it is, an Elliott wave. A wave 1, a wave 2, and a wave 3. Yeah, and in the 3rd wave, you only get confirmation that you're in the 3rd if we get a break above the wave 1 high. No, you could possibly confirm it earlier, but because we have this sort of murky structure here, I won't. And that again takes you to the difference between a trader and an analyst. You know, from an analysis point of view, the structure is clear, and also when I can confirm it. For a trader, you need to decide, are you a breakout trader or are you a pullback trader? Are you a trend trader, a counter trend trader? Now, I can't answer that for you, so I cannot tell you when to buy or sell. Also, it would be financial advice, which I'm legally anyway not allowed to do. So I just lay out the structure, help you understand the structure, where reward and risk is favorable, where the price could turn around. But how you use these levels is, of course, up to you. But if you want to learn a little bit more about that difference between trading and analyzing, you might want to follow us on Twitter. You'll find a link in the description. I warn a lot about scammers these days because we're in a bullish market. Scammers, impersonators everywhere. Make sure, please, that if you follow us on X, Twitter, for me it's still Twitter, on X, or Instagram, or LinkedIn, or TikTok, make sure that you follow the correct accounts, and you find them all linked in the video description or on our website, morecryptoonline.com. Okay, that's basically what it is. And, well, a first indication that indeed we are moving higher. I mean, we would need to see a break above that wave 4 high. At this stage, the wave 5 can, of course, still extend, okay, easily as a smaller 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in an ending diagonal in that wave 5. But we already see promising movements, bullish divergence here, yeah, lower high on the price, lower low on the price chart, but higher low on the indicators. For example, here the 1 hour RSI shows a higher low, the 1 hour MACD as well. So that looks interesting, but it's a bit too early, obviously, to confirm it. I can only tell you what I see and highlight the levels where reversals are likely, and this box seems to, at the moment, be working. Let's see if the market can take it to a more sustained rally. That's my update about LINK. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.